There she is.
Hello.
Yes, Noor, how are you doing?
I'm good. Sorry, I'm 5 minutes late.
Okay, yeah, I think a lot of fans already tuned in and they've already sent their questions, and I was also trying, to connect with you. So finally, you're here. Tell us, how is everything going? Quarantine कैसा चल रहा है आपका?
बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है and actually it's going busy. Surprisingly, it's going busy. क्योंकि first half मेरा classes में चले जाता है. I have my 12th online classes going on, and
Hmm?
then I kind of utilize my day. Sometimes I have my tuitions, and then I work out for an hour. Sometimes I sketch. I work more with the household chores. So
Mm-hmm.
that's how it goes.
So, in terms of household chores, क्या क्या कर रहे हो आप? I'm sure you stay with your parents.
Yeah, I stay with the mom. Dad's working in Baroda and he's stuck there. He couldn't come back because of the lockdown. But
So,
yeah, it's me and mom in the house.
so then कैसा चल रहा है in terms of house chores? आप मम्मा की मदद कर रहे हो in terms of झाड़ू, पोछा, बर्तन? Tell us the ordeal of the day. कैसा जाता है?
काम करना पड़ता. So we've like divided work. Because obviously I'm not a pro at doing those things and I'm doing it for the first time. So obviously dusting and all that happens. I've tried my hand at cooking as well. So I make the breakfast for mom. I serve her bed tea every day. And आजकल मैं पोछा लगा रही हूँ.
Wow, वो workout हो
Obviously,
जाता
with
है.
gloves, Mama gives me like these rubber gloves that I have, and then she's like, okay, take care of yourself. But थोड़ी help हो जाती है. And basically पोछा इसलिए लगा रही क्योंकि वो साथ में workout भी हो जाता है उससे. So it's like a 2-in-1 thing. वो actually खुद को तसल्ली देने के लिए कि चलो घर का काम नहीं कर रहे, workout ही कर रहे हैं.
But is there ऐसा कोई काम है जो मतलब आपको बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है करना and because मम्मा कहते हैं तो आपको करना पड़ता है? कोई ऐसा काम है?
कभी कभार पोछा लगाते हुए ऐसे लगता है कि यार आई डोंट वांट टू डू इट ये वो. बट देन यू हैव दोस ग्लव्स एंड देन यू कैन बी लाइक चलो ठीक है, लेट इट बी.
Great,
बट
great.
कभी
So
कभार यू गेट दैट क्रिंज.
okay, that's great. In terms of cooking, आपने कहा कि आप you've tried your hand at cooking. तो क्या बना के खिलाया है आपने मम्मा को अभी तक?
I'm trying to learn new things. वो dishes जो college going students या bachelors बना सकते हैं without disturbing anyone, and especially in this quarantine. I've learned how to make these toasts. I've learned how to make a half fried egg. Because
Uh-huh.
क्योंकि मुझे तो हाफ फ्राइड बनाने में एटलीस्ट दो तीन अटेम्प्ट्स तो लगे ही. पहले में मेरा योग टूट गया तो वो बना नहीं. बट फाइनली फोर्थ एग में वो आई कुड मेक इट. And then recently I learned how to make pancakes. So yeah,
Wow.
learning things.
बनाओ. Pancakes कैसे बने?
Pancakes actually मैंने YouTube से देख के बनाया है. So I saw YouTube.
Was it good? मम्मा का रिएक्शन क्या था pancakes पर?
पहला वाला पैनकेक तो एक्चुअली आई बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट रोटी टाइप का बना था. बिकॉज आई पुट इन लेस बेकिंग पाउडर एंड वो बैटर मैंने इतना पतला बना दिया था बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली मुझे आइडिया नहीं है. तो मम्मा आई थोड़ा हेल्प किया, बैटर वगैरह ठीक किया और फिर वो प्रॉपर पैनकेक्स बने. सो मॉम वाज रियली हैप्पी. इट वाज एन एक्सपेरिमेंट फॉर हर एज वेल.
Great, great. So, ऐसी कोई हॉबी जो आपने पिकअप की है ड्यूरिंग क्वारंटीन, वो क्या होगी अपार्ट फ्रॉम कुकिंग? कुकिंग आपने ऑलरेडी बता दिया. इज देयर
या
एनीथिंग एल्स ड्यूरिंग क्वारंटीन?
Yes, so I found a hidden talent, which is sketching. So I just wanted to time pass. उस time तो मेरा online classes वगैरह भी नहीं चालू हुई थी. I guess in the end of September somewhere. So I just tried to sketch something, and it actually turned out to be good. So I was like, okay, I can do this. So I've started sketching these days. I've started drawing. So that's a new hobby that I've developed in quarantine.
Cooking, there is sketching. Quite creative, I must say. You're
Yeah.
utilizing your time quite well.
Oh yes.
In terms of fitness में मतलब apart from पोचा, क्या कर रहे हो आप? What are you doing?
I like the specification apart from pucha. Yeah, so I'm working out. I'm working out for 45 minutes to an hour every day. As I told you, I've made a schedule of mine. So after my online classes, I have like time divided for all the things. So it's not that I'm on my phone all the time or something. I have even time for that. So I have an hour for workout. I have an hour for tuition. So मेरे वर्कआउट में आई एक्चुअली जस्ट वर्कआउट एट होम विद बॉडी वेट. And I do 10 to 15 Surya Namaskars every day. That's how I start with the warm up. and I ended with about 300 to 400 skipping. उसके बीच में मेरा वेरी करता रहता है, कभी लेग्स कर लिए, कभी हैंड्स, कभी एब्स, कभी योगा कर लिया. So it's like divided every day. It's different every day. But Surya Namaskar and skipping is like something, and plank. That's something that I do all the day.
That's great. तो मैं अगर आपसे पूछूं पटियाला बेब्स के सेट से सबसे ज्यादा क्या मिस कर रहे हो आप, तो वो क्या होगा?
मैं शूट करना मिस कर रही हूँ यार. आई एम मिसिंग माय कैरेक्टर. आई एम मिसिंग द सेट्स, द पीपल ओवर देयर. ऑब्वियसली ऐसे एंड नहीं होना चाहिए था. इट शुड हैव, but yeah, some things are not in your hands, so you can't do anything about it. Oh, by the way, hi guys, मैंने hi नहीं बोला लोगों को. Hello, hi all. Sorry, we just started and conversing. Hi Rukia. Hi Meet. Hi Vaibhav. Hi Meenu Babbar. Hi Nandana. You guys can send in your questions. We'll keep having a check.
Yes, in between.
Hi. And you can send in your questions if any, till then we can continue.
So one question that everyone was asking was कि पटियाला बेब्स खत्म हो गया है? When will it be back? क्या status है? So let's hear from the horse's mouth herself.
Yeah. The Patiala Babes isn't gonna come back after lockdown. Because obviously it was supposed to come back after lockdown, but then the lockdown is very uncertain, guys. पहले तो था कि after this fixed period of time we'll be back shooting. But the number of cases are increasing, the effect of the virus is increasing in a negative way. So I guess the best decision, also keeping everyone's safety in mind and also the current crisis, I guess the best decision that they took was to take the show off air. Because obviously इतने सारे लोगों की unit होती है, there are about 150-200 people in the unit working in the same set in close proximity. So it gets very dangerous. So yeah, that's about it.
Okay, so I think for all you fans out there, you have to wait, and if things get fine, then you will get to see Ashnoor back as Millie, probably Minnie. So Ashnoor, tell us, जैसे lockdown हुआ, so what was the first thing that you wanted in the house that you ran to the stores to get it? Something that you
I ran to get coffee. I can't live without coffee. I need my daily dose of caffeine. So it's like I work on coffee, especially in the evening time when I'm like all drowsy and stuff. So I have my homework to do or some other things to do. So I need to have my coffee. Like coffee stop because of पहले.
Okay, so मतलब अभी आप जा रहे हो बाहर, now that because it's difficult to stay indoors and just get your groceries. कभी grocery की जरूरत पड़ जाती है, कभी medicine की जरूरत पड़ जाती है, तो आप कभी बाहर गए हो? And if you've gone, what are the precautions that you?
Actually, all the vegetable vendors, fruit vendors, and everyone they come like thrice a week in my society only. So बस society के main gate तक जाना होता है, and if you need any other groceries or medicines, there are really, I would say, angels during this time who deliver these things at our doorsteps. So, but still, going out in the main gate, also you have to take your precautions. I have a different pair of slippers that I used to go out because obviously your slippers can also act as a carrying agent of the virus. So, मेरी चप्पल change होती है. I wear my mask. I tie my hair. I make sure that I make a bun because obviously I have long hair, so लगने वगने के chances ज़्यादा होते हैं. So yeah, and actually the main precautions is when I come back home. So I carry this plastic, this normal polythene, and जो दूसरा box होता है जो वो लेकर आते हैं वो उधर ही छूट जाता है. I don't get that. I just get the fruits directly transported to my bag, and then when I come back, I keep the fruits on the side. I change my slippers and I directly go to the bathroom and take a nice shower head to toe. So yeah,
so guys,
that's the precautions.
You can save yourself, from corona. The way Ashnoor is telling the precautions, so make note of those and make sure that you follow that, right, Ashnoor?
Yes.
Okay, so talk about the corona warriors. आपने उनके साथ celebrate किया अपना birthday. So tell us more about it. I mean, saw your video on Instagram where you were cutting the cake and all your watchmen, they are all around. So उसके experience के
Yeah, so I'll be very honest. At first, I was really cribbing about the fact that my sweet 16 is gonna be in a lockdown and stuff. But then eventually, usually my friends come and surprise me at home. But this time they were all surprising me with these group video calls that they'd scheduled, a group conference call. तो वो सब हो रहा था, and then I thought, why not spread this happiness of mine and share my happiness with all those people who are risking their life for us, for our safety. So I thought that let's go down and celebrate it with my society watchmen, and they were also all really happy, sharing my happiness, spreading it all over. So I felt really good. I got these really positive vibes after celebrating my birthday with them. So I was like, this was a different experience of a birthday in a lockdown, and I do have some really good memories of this as well.
So if the lockdown ends, and we hope it ends soon, how would you celebrate your birthday?
I would party. I would organize a big party, and I would eat. I would dance. I would bang my head to the music. So basically, I'm gonna go crazy if this lockdown opens, and just enjoy myself to the fullest.
Okay. So that one delicacy that you want to have once the lockdown is over, वो क्या होगा?
I really want to have chaat.
Chaat?
So I love dahi chaats, be it dahi puri, dahi papri, all these dahi types things. They light na, so वो उसका taste है. So I would love to have this dahi puri chaat. I'm really craving for it.
Great. Okay, a lot of love pouring your way, Ashnoor. You're looking so cute, Ashnoor. Smileys, love. A lot of
Nandini
people are
has
waiting.
asked, if you were not a professional actress, what would have you chosen? So Nandini, if I wasn't an actor, then I would have been a normal 12th standard student. Still confused about which profession to choose. Yeah.
But
Hi,
you know,
Shweta.
continue.
Hi, Rishika. Yes.
Ashnoor, continuing with that thought, so you started at a tender age of 5, with Jhansi Ki Rani. वहां से लेके Sweet 16 की journey कैसी रही है? If you can tell us, in a nutshell.
It's been an amazing roller coaster ride, I would say. Uh, being parts of shows with different genres, be it historical, with Jhansi Ki Rani, Shobha Somnath, to mythological shows. I did Jag Janani, Ma Durga, Mahadev. Then coming to daily soaps, Na Bole Tum, Ye Rishta Kya Kehlata Hai, Patiala Waves. And then not only TV shows, but also all the ads that I did, the commercial ads, the short movies, the Bollywood movies, Sanju and Manmarziya, that I was part of. So it's been an amazing journey, and I've got to learn a lot, got to grow, not only as an actor, but also as a person.
That's great, well answered. Okay, would you want to pick a few questions more, Ashnoor?
Yeah, sure. I love your voice. Thank you, DN Rolex. Naira, yes, Naira. Which subject did you take in standard 12th? I'm in 12th standard and I've chosen commerce.
Okay.
What's your favorite sport? So I tried swimming, but I couldn't complete the course. But I really like playing basketball and badminton.
Great.
You're so cute, Dee. Thank you. After lockdown, will you come in music videos or will you give a break for your study? So being a Snorrian, hello. After the lockdown, I don't want to take any long-term projects as of now. So I want to be on a break for at least a few months. But yes, music videos with maybe a good concept or something, I would love to do that. Okay, guys, you can pour in your questions. Same
Okay,
here,
so I have,
forward. Yeah.
I have a few questions which your fans have already sent to Nivanta. So I'll just pull out, a couple probably. So SRG underscore Miniel is asking, hashtag we want Patiala
SRG Noor Miniel. Okay.
Yeah, SRG Noor Miniel, that's the handle. So that handle is saying hashtag we want Patiala babes is trending on Twitter.
Yeah.
What do you have to say about it?
It's trending on what?
During long.
Sorry. Am I clear or am I blurry?
On Twitter. Today?
Okay. Yeah, guys, actually, many of you have been using this hashtag. Sorry, just a second.